Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to merge C and D drive together without data loss. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Open D drive, copy all files and folders, paste it into C drive or any other drive. Right-click D drive, click Delete Volume. Right-click C drive, click Extend Volume. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.